With poor or non-existent estate planning and inheritance governance in Nigeria being at the heart of many disputes, sometimes breaking family bonds that have existed for years, the need to reform informal transfer of wealth from one generation to another has never become more apt.
In some communities still in northern Nigeria, you will discover that there are certain parts of a wealth that cannot be inherited by a female. They say anything that is a property like home or farm or house, for example, or a shop cannot be inherited by a daughter or a wife. It can only be inherited by a father or a son, as the case may be.
The former minister called for increased public awareness and the active involvement of legal experts to ensure that all agreements penned before the passing away of family benefactors are accurately documented. He further advocated for the adoption of blockchain technology to create tamper-proof digital records, ensuring that inheritance agreements remain secure and unalterable.
So there is need for us to create more awareness, and number two, to always involve legal professionals when it comes to wealth transfer, so that our agreement is going to be captured correctly, legally, and Islamically.
To prevent asset theft and minimize conflicts, experts advocate for proactive estate planning as a way to organize one's affairs and secure a legacy before passing.
People are illegally transferring assets to themselves because they did not keep that trust that was entrusted in them. So the advent of estate planning, and in estate planning we're trying to say, okay, you can arrange your life before you pass away.
When you have a trust and in your lifetime you've already executed, you've already done the trust, the wealth is transferred seamlessly to the named beneficiary. But if it is the will or you obtain letter of administration, which is subject to probate, 10% is paid to government.
Ultimately, the forum emphasized that transitioning from informal to structured wealth management is no longer a luxury, but a necessity, by integrating legal expertise and modern technology to preserve family legacies.